Hello guys, so in this video today we will see a simple course where I will be using the AI tool, the Gemini AI, to get some title of that particular course, then some content from that. Okay, so let's get started. So basically, I will be preparing for a course around English grammar. Up to 10 standard. Give proper title. Okay, so I just pass this prompt, and the first thing basically we see this given me the course title. Yes, so I will quickly come to Moodle. I will copy this course name and come here in Moodle and will create a new course. Okay, so you are familiar with creating a course. So from my courses, if it is visible at your side, you can click on this create course. But in case it is not, you can come here under the courses, then you can see the selected category, then you can create course within category. Okay, so this is my course, so I will not be using much larger content. We'll just simplifying these steps. Okay, so this is the by default the four new sections. You see it is added automatically. uh, let's say the course discussion forum. Okay, so I'm just giving this name. So some teacher can start this communication like adding topics within this forum, and they can start. Now here it is also giving me that I can go for course outline. Okay, so this is basically the course description you see here. So I can add this one in description. Okay, so this course is designed to provide a student. So this will be the description. Then the level one, building the foundation. Okay, so the first thing you'll have here, you can arrange the content in the way you are going to teach. Got it? So now I will be creating here the sections. It's a level one. Then I will have here the level two. So why the level wise? Because if you are teaching to a standard 8, you'll have to move ahead step by step. Yes, so level one basically building the foundation. So ideally this is well suited for the grades 5 to 6. Then expanding understanding, that means it will be on top of level 1. Now I should see level 3. So refining and mastering, grade 9 to 10. You see here, so add here. Now this is all I basically need because I had asked to write from 5 to 10. Okay, so I have to return. Now I don't need this one, so I will delete. Okay, so I have created here the three level 1, level 2. So in the concept of Moodle, this is section. Now in 4.5, I have the ability I can add the subsections. Okay, so within level 1, I can go for adding these topics and subsections. Right? So unit one will be introduction to sentences. Alright. So here under subsections, I will be adding this. So either you can keep this unit one or you can simply remove that one and just put only the title. Alright. So let's do this. Same way I can go for creating a second subtop title here. Here under purse I can add one more subsections. Okay. So introduction to sentence, then the nouns, naming nouns. The next thing will be pronoun replace pronoun. So pronoun means replacing names. Okay. So you see here the noun what basically is also given here in the title. So noun means naming words. Pronoun replacing noun. Now adjective. Adjective are basically known for describing words. So here I can add subsections. Correct. Now let me add each for the level one. So fifth, I have to press enter. I can also make a copy of it. Yes. No, I will not be able to copy this one. So I'll have to again add the next one. So add her describing verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Preposition and conjunction. So these ideally will come up under the basics of the grammar. Okay, so everything here put it within. Uh, so a student will see in this view. If you come here, you can also see one, two, three. Right? So within one, I will have here introduction to sentence, then the noun, pronoun, adjective, verbs, adverbs, preposition, and conjunction. Now within this introduction to sentence, I can have the details. So I will go within this course and I can add what each sentence. Okay. So I can go for adding text in. So this will be the title. Then here the explanation will come. Now explore unit 1. So you can ask here to give the details. Describe in details. I am just going to give this command. Okay, so the first thing, introduction to subject. So we'll have to write the instruction the way the normal classroom teacher interact. Okay, so how they will be studying. So this unit is a very first step in understanding how English works. So we'll have to let the student feel that you are taking the live classes or you are physically present there. Okay, so this is sort of description here, and you can add actual content. Right? And so, okay, so this will not be coming here. This is the actual content. Okay, so this will come out outside this, not here. So if I come here under one, I can have the descriptions. Okay, so here I will have the description and change it same. Okay, so I see here our lesson level 1 and the description is associated with. Got it? So this is how you will be able to achieve whatever you want to achieve. Got it? So under level 1 I see lots of steps here. Okay, so now I'm going to come here. Okay, but you feel this is related to only this, you can also add. So it's all about how you arrange the content. Okay, so introduction to this sentence you can type here the details like add its own basic. A sentence will have to work like this. Okay, but you are not satisfied with what response we have here. You can go for explore in detail. Okay, so first explore this. Got it? Okay, so what is sentence I am going to teach them? I can copy the content like this. Got it? So here I don't have much information, so I can add. You will also have to some do formatting. Once you paste, you'll see some issue here. Okay, so like this, you'll have to adjust your content. So like this. But in case you want to delete something, then just delete. You don't have to copy everything. It's all about how much you want to explain or give the information in this section. Okay, so a sentence is a complete unit of thought. It conveys the full idea that can stand on its own. So thinking about saying something like running fast or the big dog. So this group of words give us some information, but they don't finish. So you are left asking who is running fast or what dog. Okay, so this is basically the part of conversation. Then it will be giving here in this sentence the subject and the predicates they are explained. So you can either paste as it is or you can make the modification. Whatever you feel, it is better to have that. Alright. So every after doing this and teaching this, you can have either you can add one more sections or you can also update within the same description. Suppose I am going to add here like this. So simply I am going to do copy paste and I see some formatting issue. The moment you start looking at formatting, you should have to make sure so no garbage value is available. Got it? So if you see, you can open another thread and you can ask ChatGPT or other tool to rephrase it. Got it? So I am just here rephrase it. So I am going to paste whatever I have pasted here, and it will be arranging the way that looks good. So here are few way to rephrase this sections. So you don't have to copy this particular because this is the response what this Gemini is doing. So here, because you have to make this conversational, you can simply copy and paste whatever is coming here. Correct? So I will do paste it here. Okay. So I will save. So now if you come to see the content, how it is being developed and how it will look like at the student, you can see like this. Okay, so under introduction I can see sentence, introduction to sentence. Then under noun I can start adding the similar way. Okay, so this is how you'll be able to start creating a course with the help of AI tool. So you'll be also able to automate this kind of thing. So in case you have purchased a plan for OpenAI or Gemini AI or the ChatGPT, the Moodle will have that option. You can add the AI tool and you can use that.